Well, all right, now to Donald Trump. Well, we're on the issue of politics and on the issue of controversial characters. The Hill Columnist Judy Kurtz says, bottom line is, not only mainstream media, but Republicans themselves have simply failed to measure the magnitude of one Donald Trump, and now they're coming to regret that. Explain. What do you mean, Judy?
Neil, Republicans are tearing their hair out. I think what you said before might have been an understatement. They're really put in a box here. Donald Trump, if they don't push back hard on him, they risk steamrolling the party. He's going to steamroll the party. And if they push back too hard, he's threatened, as he told my colleagues at the Hill in an exclusive interview, that he might run as an independent candidate. They're really in a bind.
All right, but isn't that childish? I mean, if he does, then he's sort of sending a signal to them, you have every reason to hate me.
He might be sending that signal, but listen, Donald Trump is a master of the media. He knows how to play a news cycle. He gives an interview to my friends at the Hill and saying he might run, and then he backtracks a little. He makes headlines. He makes headlines again. We're going to run out of ink talking about this guy.
Well, you're right about that, but I also wonder, and I was telling Governor Kasich this a few minutes ago, he is going to be the guy who gets the most attention at a debate, either for what he says or how he acts. I don't know if that's fair or right, but he certainly knows how to work a crowd and to get those quotes out there. Do you think then that hurts all those other guys, especially the guys trying to emerge as prominent players themselves?
Certainly, the other Republican candidates are in trouble with Donald Trump in the race. I think there's no question about that. The only way any of these other candidates seem to be getting any press is mentioning Donald Trump. Lindsey Graham, Senator Graham, had to put his phone in a blender to get some press. So that's the only way that they're getting any attention. I do think that Donald Trump does risk overshocking folks, and maybe people get tired of that. He might become the Lady Gaga of the political world. I don't think he'll be wearing a meat dress anytime soon, Neil, but people get tired of being shocked, and he admitted himself in an interview.
Here's where I respectfully disagree, Judy. I think he's around for the long haul. I think he's going to be more than a Herman Cain or a Lady Gaga, to your point. I think he's sticking around, and I think he's very, very serious about going all the way. Whether he does, of course, is debatable, but I don't think he's like a flash in the pan. But
well, he did say this morning in an interview that he was concerned that people might tire of him. So he does recognize that to a certain degree.
Well, we all live with that in the broadcasting world, too. But fortunately, the viewers haven't tired of us. All right. Thank you, Judy. It's always good seeing you.